The large covered porch and attractive landscaping welcomes you to this newly constructed home. You'll find a wide entry foyer that leads to the vaulted ceiling great room with an abundance of natural light through the windows that look out to the newly installed black chain link fenced backyard and wooded buffer along the perimeter of this 1/3 acre lot. The backyard is accessed from the dining area onto the deck. The kitchen features white shaker cabinets with crown molding, glass and marble backsplash, walk-in pantry, all stainless appliances, and an island with breakfast bar. The 2-car garage and laundry room are conveniently located off the kitchen area, as well as the gas forced air high-efficiency Bryant furnace and water heater, and the stairway that leads to the large bonus room with shelving ideal for an office or out-of-sight play area. The entry, bathrooms, kitchen and dining areas all have attractive solid surface flooring. There is recessed lighting throughout the home, as well as ceiling fans in each room and triple glazed windows for extra insulation. There are 2 good-sized bedrooms, one of which has a walk-in closet and a full bath near the front of the home. The large master suite near the rear of the home enjoys a wooded view. The master bath has marble countertop with 2 sinks.